Is it? Christmas would not be complete without something sweet. I just made that up. Could you see that in a song like it?
Yeah.
Christmas will not be complete without
something
sweet.
Papa.
Yeah. That is why I do this. I talk and you sing.
Yes.
Yeah. I have singers here with me. And they have been a singing couple for how many years now?
Since Adam dating Eve.
Because like Adam and Eve,
Yes.
you guys met through singing.
Yes.
Yeah.
True music.
Give me that story. Give me that story.
I was coming off an injury from track.
From track.
And I used music as a mechanism to cope because I didn't know what I was going to do with my life after I came out of that injury. You know, you're going for scholarship, that kind of thing. And I used music. And a mutual friend of ours told me of a program they were having at a community center in Marabella. And he's like, you're not doing anything, come down now. Come and check it out. It's about music developing. I could have sang, but you know. Long story short, I went to it. He was part of the group and he liked me. I didn't like him first. He liked me first.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
And
Any rebuttal there?
Like if that make a difference.
Yeah. Any rebuttal or you agree with
No,
that
I don't
story?
know that.
yeah, no, it's true. And we ended up connecting and we became a couple and we have been that, you know, together ever since. And that's where our music career basically. Now he was doing music at that time with his group. I wasn't doing it at all, and I was inspired to continue. And I.
Your boyfriend doing music? No?
He's a singer.
Yeah,
he was
your
the,
boyfriend is a
he
singer.
was the hottest thing since sliced turkey. Yeah. So anyway, and we started performing since then. So it's more than 20 years now we've been doing it, and it has been a lovely.
You decide gig.
Yeah.
And after meeting Mauricio and you all coming together, this has now become.
Yeah, we decided to do it full time.
Full-time.
That's when we, a friend of mine who was in the group before, he went to China and he contacted us and told us they want a band. I mean, two singers, a male and a female, to form a band up there with some Filipinos in China. Yeah, and we decided to go. And that decision came like in 2 weeks' time.
Yeah, we was in China.
In 2 weeks' time, he decided to go China.
Wow. What was that?
Still
experience?
home under our parents' house.
Yeah.
No responsibilities.
Married?
No, we weren't married.
No.
We
Weren't married yet, I know.
No responsibilities. Go China, why not?
Just try it out.
Young people,
Yeah.
go China.
So I guess in all actuality, everything we did was basically preparing us for next journey, next journey.
Fall in line.
Fall in line.
Yeah, guys, I want to make a cake, but we just want to make a cake because I know that based on you all having music as your main squeeze, your mainstay, this is how you make a living. The pandemic would have obviously affected you guys. Coming out of it now.
Yeah. We have not only our musical talent, but we have formed the Sandusky Organic Products Company where we do organic soaps. For the pandemic, that was our bread and butter. Paid the bills, it fed us, you know, and then we realized we had to diversify our income because the pandemic taught us that. So we do both in order to continue to sustain ourselves and continue to grow, both in music and in young entrepreneurial skills. You know,
Again, we didn't know where that was going to lead because I heard about a soap course and I decided to go on to the soap course.
Yes, it's true.
And
just after you finish it, COVID, so the soap course.
This is to make the soaps for like family and friends and then.
And
So,
it became
It became our bread and butter.
Wow.
Yeah.
The stories of COVID, huh?
Oh,
Yeah.
The stories of COVID. I'm going to make a cake.
Yes.
Thanks to the folks at Betty Crocker, we're making a very, very simple cake. So this particular crackdown we're doing is if you see, you don't want to soak fruits for 100 days. You don't want to, get your hands dirty with browning and no black cake. Betty Crocker is here for you. We're doing a very simple fruit and nut cake. Let me show you how easy it is to put together this cake mix and make a wonderful cake. Nice fruit cake that these folks will decorate in a bit. Easy to do Betty Crocker fruit and nut cake. 1 full pack of this super moist yellow cake mix from Betty Crocker. All you do, add all your fruit and nut ingredients. I have some cranberries, some raisins, some mixed peel, as well as some nuts of your choice. I have some almonds. Mix into your dry ingredients and then add your wet ingredients. A cup of water, a half cup of vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. Fold and mix thoroughly. Then pour your batter into your cake pan and bake for just about 25 to 30 minutes. Right, guys, so simple cake in the oven, and then you get this bad boy. I am leaving this for you all to get this looking like this. So you have all the decorations necessary here. And it's easy like that because you have Betty Crocker's rich cream vanilla frosting that's ready to go. You don't even have to do anything.
Nice.
So when you're seeing all that fancy frosting there,
yeah.
and people, Betty is your best friend around Christmas time.
She come true.
She's come true for you.
Yeah,
so you just pour this in here, mix this, get creative.
All right.
BBF, you know, Betty,
You can
best
use this
friend.
is what you can do. You see couples having fun
Yeah, boy.
leading up to Christmas.
I get well. All right. So we mix it.
That's somebody, but
It's done.
all clean Betty out now.
All right. Oh my God. Is that children?
Yeah. all audiences.
So we mix it, right?
Yeah. See how it comes together so nicely there? It comes together.
Yeah, it's
so
really nice. And it's soft. And it's pliable. So you can do almost anything with it. So it's really good. So I do the hard part, Nigel.
Well, you have to paste it too.
Oh, I had to paste it.
I just do the decorations, ma'am.
All right.
You
Yes,
deal with
I
that
did
now,
it.
man.
Yes, I
Yeah.
did.
Babe, what two are we in this, you know?
Now, the reason I give you all to do it is because I get trouble to do that every year. So I was looking for two guinea pigs.
I hear you. So is that trick then? But honestly, it is easy. I mean, I could do it a little smoother or whatever, but it's coming on.
It's actually not about that.
No,
it really is about.
it's about fun.
And the fun of doing it.
The fun of doing
and
it.
the rustic look. It's not perfect.
Yeah.
You know that nice rustic look sometimes.
But actually, my own is perfect, eh?
Yes.
Yes,
yes,
mine
good,
is
yes,
my own
yes,
is perfect.
Yes, good. Your own perfect.
Let's see if I could do a little. Right.
Don't that already.
Right, there we go.
Wait. So
Make
you
it
do
better
all-
than
you use
that
them
one.
all then?
No, you don't have to use all. You can do 2 cakes with this
Ask
one.
him.
Let's see what you're going to do now. Pa-pa-da-da. Hey! Let's see that? Right. Nice. We're looking good. We know all that semantics. Just make sure it's looking better than Joe. You have a Christmas theme going on here.
Green and red. You can't have Christmas without green and red.
Let me see how we're doing the cherries now. Let me do it in 2s now. To have a little theme going. Yeah. Well, that too far.
No, yeah.
We just
go
do
too
on one
far.
side. We just do
Which
on
is
one
this?
side. No, I tell you, do on one side. You're not following the thing, man.
But I'm proud of it though.
Yeah.
I'm real proud of them. Yeah.
It's too close.
Well, I can't move it. Put one here. Put one here. Right.
Hey, wait now. Let me finish it off now, man.
And I look too bad. Watch out that.
What's that now?
What's that?
Oh gosh, I put it too
Oh
close.
God, no, it's over cherry.
Yeah.
What's that? What's that now?
Ta-da!
Take a look.
So I want to offer you guys the 2 slices. But not before you sing for your dinner.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
I want-
what you come here for.
On my belly?
because this make me feel like Christmas this morning.
Yeah. So
Sharing,
Yeah.
having some fun around the
really-
Christmas table. This is just a simple fruit and nut cake. I want to thank the folks at Betty Crocker for making it possible. And I want to thank Mauricia and Nigel for passing through and sharing some time with us.
It was nice.
And sharing their music. Guys, where next for your music?
Oh, lots of places. Well, you know, it's a Christmas season, so we have like dinners and a lot of events coming up. Christmas looking nice.
Christmas looks nice.
It's looking nice.
Thank
It's looking
God for
nice,
that,
you know.
yeah.
So we're thankful for that. Then the new year comes, you know, and bringing out new music and just continuing to perform. That's what we love, the stage.
Yeah.
And actually, this song is her version.
Yeah,
of
this is
Have
my
Yourself.
version. I'll do for you all to sing from a piece of cake. And
Yeah, sing for your supper.
extending happy birthday, Merry Christmas, I say. Happy birthday.
birthday.
It's cake.
It's cake, yeah.
Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Ooh, yeah. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Make the Yuletide gay. From now on, our troubles will be miles away. Here we are as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Faithful friends who are dear to us, gather near to us once more. So, through the years we all will be together, if the fates allow. Hang a shining star upon the highest bough. So have yourself a merry little Christmas now. Whoa. A merry little Christmas now, yeah.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas,
Same to you.
Merry
Christmas, man.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Thank you
guys
so
all the
much.
best. So,
Thank you.
Before you guys run off, courtesy the folks at Betty Crocker.
Oh,
This
thank you
is
so
for
much.
you guys.
Thank you, Betty.
All right, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Guys,
you very much.
we will see you back here. Merry Christmas. Stay with us here through the entire season for a cup of